Mah-e-Rajab quiz program. Like every year, this year too an online quiz program is being organized. On the occasion of the holy month of Rajab, quiz questions will be asked about the virtues of this blessed month and about the lives, Seerat, of those Masoomeen, as, whose birth or martyrdom falls in this month. The quiz will consist of 15 multiple-choice questions. The questions will be sent on 5th Rajab-ul-Murajjab, and the answers must be submitted by 10th Rajab-ul-Murajjab. Brothers and sisters of all age groups are eligible to participate. Details of prizes: Holy Quran, Najay al-Balaga, silver ring, iron press, sewing machine, cash prizes, and more than 50 other small and large prizes. Registration fee: 100 Pakistani rupees only. The registration fee can be submitted to the given Easy Paisa or Jazz Cash account. Contact number: 030235699608.